Welcome to Shammah FX, where chat speaks and profit answers. Hit the subscribe button. Let's turn knowledge and information into wealth. Alright, so this video is actually a continuation of the part 1, and sorry guys, I got to know that the part 1 was not actually, it was cut off by my editor, right? So it was when I got a feedback from one of you guys that I got to know that it's not complete. Alright, so I'm just going to start from when it stops and be very fast about it. So if you see this video, you can go check on the part 1 of it, how to connect your Deriv account to your MT5 app, right? How to connect your Deriv account to your MT5 account. So check the first video, you watch that first video. The first video is more elaborate and it explains every other thing that won't be explained here. Alright, so starting from here, that one stop. I already explained all the whole interface here, what it means, how you go about it. So let's go straight to how you connect it. Click on your CFD. Right now, once you click on the CFD, if yours will not be showing this as a newcomer or as a newbie. If you're a newbie, yours won't be showing this, right? So what you do is click on get. And from the previous video, I recommended using standard MT5. Use this standard MT5, use that, then click on get. Once you click on get on it, input your password, the password you want to use. Once you input the password, remember the password must be alphanumeric, right? Just ensure that the password is alphanumeric. That means a combination of capital letters, small letters, and the number, right? So input your password there. Once you have input your password there, then your account is created. So once your account is created, what do? You click on open. Right now, you click on open. Let's go back a little bit and let me show you something. Now, once there's a scenario whereby some people use their demo account and they'll blow up their account. If you blow up the account, what you just need to do is you come back to your Deriv, click on your Deriv, click on your Deriv, navigate to your demo account, click on CFD and click on top up. If you top up, let me click on top up now. You see it will increase. See, if I top up, you see I've actually increased this. Let me refresh. If I go to my MT5 now, instead of the $16 I reduce it to before, it will now be increased to a 10,000 something dollar, 10,016. Yeah, see? So it's not 10,016. I can still increase it again. If I want to increase it again, what do? Let me say top up. Let me say top up. Now I top up again. I've top up again, right? Now let me go back and see it again. You see, it's not, it will, okay, I have to exhaust this first. Let me refresh this and see what happens. Okay, now my account has been top up. Now if I blow up this $10,000 that is in my demo account, I can still go back there and top up. It's as simple as that, no much hassle. Now you click on open, right? Once you click on open, you go to your MT5. If your account is fresh, what you just need to do is click on your menu, which is this is your menu here on your MT5. This is your menu. This right here, sorry, this right here is your menu, right? That right there is your menu. Click on your menu, click on manage accounts, click on manage accounts. Once you click on manage accounts, now click on the plus sign that is there. This is it. This is the plus sign to add an account, right? You want to add an account, you click on the plus sign. Now once you click on the plus sign, you go to your Deriv, right? Now copy, make sure that this you copy is actually what you have there. Now Deriv.com limited, that is what I'm being given, right? So I'll now click on I'll click on the copy button that's there. Here is the copy button. All right, click on the copy button. I've copied it. You can see it underneath there. You come to find broker and you paste it, Deriv.com limited. Now you can see it, right? So I'm not being given this, so I'll click on it. Now note, it's different for everyone. It's different from everyone. So what you are being given is what you paste. Yours might not be Deriv.com limited, so yours might be something different. So just click what is being given to you. Now I click on what is being given to me, right? Now it will load. Once it load, what you do next is what? Go for your login, which is to fill this area. Your login to fill this area. Now you go to your Deriv. What do you log in there? What do you copy to go and paste on the login? Your what? See the login ID. Can you see login ID? And this is your login here, right? So you click on what? You click on the copied button there. So once I click on the copied button, click on it, it has copied. I'll now go towards my Deriv login. I'll paste it there. You see, I paste it there. Now remember, before I opened that account, there was a password I used. That same password you put there, you enter the password here, right? Once you enter the password here, your account is what? Once you enter the password there, click on what? Login. Once you click on login, this login right here. Once you click on login right here, your account have been successfully created. You have logged in your account, and you start seeing all this here. Just like this, you see different ones there. All right. Now once you have seen them, you come to your trade. You see, if you not see any balance on this account, normally it should show you what? It should show you $10,000 in your demo account. But if it not show you, you go back like I previously explained. You click on what? You click on your top up. You click on top up, then you go back, you see 10,000 in your account. And if you blow up the 10,000 in your practice, you go back again, you top up, you keep practicing until you perfect your skill. That's it. All right, so I hope you find this interesting. Click on the share button, subscribe, and comment if you have any question that you need me to clarify also in my next video. All right, and if you have any suggestion on any challenges you are having on forex or crypto, hit the comment section and write the question or the challenge you are facing. I will make a video on it that will simplify it for you. All right, I'm here for you. I'm here to make things easy. All right, my phone is okay. All right, the noise is too much. I'll off it. All right, so now once you have all this on the interface, how do you arrange what you want to do from your MetaTrader 5? Right now, there is also a video I've made about understanding what MetaTrader 5, like introduction. The topic of the video, the title is what? Introduction to MetaTrader 5. It's on my channel there. Search for it. Search for it and get it and watch it to the end. It explains everything that is here, everything that is also here. It also explains all the buttons that is here. It explains all the buttons that is here, everything concerning MetaTrader, how to navigate it, including all these buttons, the functions, and everything that concerns MetaTrader 5. That video is where elaborate. It explains everything. So get the video, watch it, and get used to what you're doing, and wish you success in your trading. All right,